Hi friends, this is Akhilesh. I am working as a software engineer from last 8 years. And during these years, I have developed many government and private projects. I have worked on different programming languages and currently working on ASP.NET Core. In this series, we will cover all ASP.NET Core concepts and we will perform all CRUD operations like reading, writing, updating and deleting data using SQL Server as our database. Here we will cover all aspects of programming in .NET Core that will help you in building complete data-driven web application. I have designed this tutorial in such a way that if anybody do not have any idea about programming will understand through this tutorial if they watch my video regularly. If we are going to start developing our application in ASP.NET Core, then there must be some benefit of .NET Core over other programming languages. At the same time, it is very difficult to explain all benefits of any language. It will be only understood when we go deeper and deeper as we progress through this series. So here I am explaining few benefits like cross-platform. ASP.NET Core application can be run on Windows, Linux and Mac. So if we have created one application on ASP.NET Core framework, so we need not to create another application for another platform because the application is capable to run on another platform. Okay. Second one is hosting options. As we know, ASP.NET application can be hosted only on IIS. I am talking about the traditional ASP.NET like ASP.NET 4.0. But if we use ASP.NET Core application instead of traditional ASP.NET Core, traditional ASP.NET 4.0, we can host it on either IIS, Apache, Nginx and few other server. So here we are getting more options for hosting. Third one is editor. Here also we have benefits. As we know, ASP.NET Core is open source. So now we can use a Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime editor or any other third-party editor of our choice. Fourth one is dependency injection, and dependency injection is very important concept of ASP.NET Core. It allows a class to receive dependency from another class. Most of the time in ASP.NET Core, dependency injection is done by injecting a service class into another class or module class. We will discuss it in detail in our upcoming videos because dependency injection is very vast and we will use this throughout in our application. Before starting programming in ASP.NET Core, you should aware of some important things. You should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript and OOPS concepts. You need not to be expert in these languages, but basic knowledge is more than enough what we require. If you know anyone C or C++, that will be too much beneficial for you. And if you have basic understanding of model view and controller, that will be great for you. But if you do not have any idea about these programming languages, then don't worry. We will cover each and every topic in very detail. We use ASP.NET Core. We will develop our front end as well as our services for interaction with backend in ASP.NET Core. Second one is SQL Server. We will use SQL Server as our database to store our data. And here third one is jQuery. We will use jQuery as our scripting language in our programming. If you are not aware about scripting languages, We will learn what and how to use them in our upcoming lecture. Fourth one is Bootstrap. We will use Bootstrap for design and we will learn in deep and cover all aspects of Bootstrap used for designing modern application.